Hey, seventh grade. Actually, I thought I was going to have to do a full voiceover with some notes for you tonight, but that does not look like it's going to be the case. So, let me just set you up. You still have some time to complete your writing assignment. Um, so you need to pay special attention to the instructions, and make sure that you don't cheat some of your answers. When I ask for a summary, 4 to 5 sentences, you need to tell me um, about the attributes of the people that Paul was describing, the work that they were doing in Thessalonica. Paul uses, I think, that phrase work, or at least character or deeds. Um, and it talks about like the regions that they were exposed to. He names a couple of them. You should see familiar place names if you remember anything from our Acts study. Um, and they have been mentioned a couple times already in some of our epistles work, especially Corinth, the work in the Corinthians. So look for those. When it talks about Paul and his fellow ministers interacting with the Thessalonian church, you want to look for things, how they were treated, how they felt about the Christians that they were ministering to, and so on and so forth. Don't just say good, I guess. Paul uses some specific terms. We treated you like this. We think of you as if we are in this kind of relationship, stuff like that. Really, questions number 3 and 4 are not that difficult. It is more implied, number 3, why Timothy was sent. Paul mentions it. Just make sure you understand what he's saying. And then for question number 4, what did Timothy tell Paul and the other ministers, Paul and his friends, when he did the report about the Thessalonians? That's actually a pretty short answer. You'll have a pretty good idea about that once you read chapter 3. I think some people are actually turning in their assignments, the written assignments, pretty quickly. That's good. Make sure that you are satisfied with the work. You get 2 days to do these things. I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of chances to just go back and go over it. If you want me to return your Google Classroom submission, just email me or message me, or send a text, and I can just return it and let you edit it more. Don't turn in something poorly done when you've got time to work on it. Also, a reminder, you need to be rounding up your large projects and turning them in by Friday. Some of you have sent written information that go along with your actual projects that you turned in on Monday when we thought we were going to have school. Some of you guys have sent me photos and some information, like the letters that you were written. I've noticed those coming in. That's good. I'm going to get around to grading them as soon as I can. We're working kind of around the clock a little bit to keep you guys up to date. If there are any questions, obviously, email is the best way to reach me. And since I'm giving you more time to complete these assignments, hit me up on email. I can give you a more thorough answer, and that way if you catch me and don't understand something, you can always reach me again, okay? Don't sit on something. Don't sit on the question if you need to ask me something and you don't know the answer to it. Hope you guys are doing good. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Get outside. Enjoy the weather. And hopefully see you guys soon. But take advantage of this time, okay? Make sure you remember you are still in school. Be good. Talk to you soon.